Hello, good day. We are the students of University of Perpetual Life System NARTA. We will discuss some security threats on e-commerce web servers.
By the way, what is e-commerce?
E-commerce is an online transaction between buyers and sellers through the internet via devices such as computers and smartphones. However, with its rapid growth and profitability, crime has managed to find its way into e-commerce.
What are the security threats in e-commerce?
Security threats on e-commerce web servers. Eavesdroppers, crackers, or hackers. These are the people who write programs and manipulate technologies to obtain access to unauthorized computers and networks. These are the things they can do: identity theft, phishing, DOS attacks, web defacements, malicious data. These are virus, logic bomb worms.
Hackers today can easily steal valuable information from unsuspecting victims. Information such as credit card information and location information are amongst the most popular. Hackers can then utilize this information to rob their victims of huge amount of cash.
In order to reduce such occurrences, there are several preventive solutions that currently exist. For example, when a transaction is made with a credit card, banks will call up the cardholder to inform and confirm that the transaction has been made.
Hello, good afternoon. May I speak to Mr. Tolentino, please? I'm calling from Metrobank.
Yeah, this is Mr. Tolentino speaking.
Sir, I would like to inform that whether you had made a purchase of 10,000 pesos on your credit card 10 minutes ago.
What?
Did you lose your credit card?
Hold on a moment. Nope, I have my card with me.
I suspect that someone has stolen your credit card information. I shall consult my supervisor and contact you as soon as possible.
To prevent information being stolen online, instead of paying directly with their credit card, customers can also choose to transact through PayPal, where all their information are kept secured.
Thank you for watching our video. By the way, I am Jasper Togano.
Don Tible.
Gary Tolentino.